Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I've got the Heartstone version 2 here with me for a review, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's see, what do we have here? This is a very interesting one. It's called the Heartstone version 2. I got this from EDC Lung. It's a group on Facebook. This is a titanium coin, let's say worry stone haptic coin made out of blacked out titanium, and it's made with two parts, you know, like this one and the bottom one with a pivot and a screw right here, and inside there's a pro, which is like a spring-loaded mechanism, like you can see it in the cutout, and you can see how it works. So there are notches on the inside, and you can screw that pro in. This guy comes with, you can get two other pros, and they're gonna have different haptic feedback and different sound for each one of them, because they're gonna be creating different resistance as you spin it around. So this is an interesting one. Let's see the size of this guy. It's a little bit less than 2 inches, I would say 1.8 inch in diameter, and we can check a couple of other fidget toys as a size comparison. This is the TK-EDC slider. This is the Muji capsule spinner. Here you've got the Lautier Sam, and here you have the Unbury coin in a beautiful faded time mask, so you can see roughly how it compares with some other fidget toys. And this is the Heartstone version 2. There's also version 1, which is a spinner and also has some haptic feedback to it. So this is a very interesting one. The weight in this case is gonna be, it's not that bad because this is titanium, so it's gonna be weighing in at 2.13 ounces, so not that bad. It's a right weight. Just keep it in your hand, keep it in your pocket, and just fidget with it, and it's not gonna be bothering you because it's not that heavy, and also has a nice shape. It's nicely rounded off, and there are these carved out areas, nicely milled out areas are going to be grippy, and you're gonna be able to just spin it around like super easily, and it's a good thing. You can disassemble by yourself, just a screw drive, like a flathead screwdriver right over here, unscrew this pivot, toss in the couple pros, and you can change the feel and the sound to it. So that's a nice addition. This guy is able only to spin in one way, clockwise, like this way. It won't be able to spin backwards, let's say. And you have alignments line, like this. So every click, let's say there's a half stop, halfway stop, and then it just realigns like that. Nicely done. This side is just flush. The screw is absolutely flush with the with this part, with the back. You have this this arrow which shows you which direction to spin the coin, and it can be like a worry coin. You can just hold it in your hand, or it can be actually a haptic coin, or like not really a spinner, because yeah, it spins, but just not like in the classic sense of spinner. So it's a very interesting one. It has a very peculiar sound. And it doesn't matter if you spin it fast, the sound is going to be the same. There's no change to it. It's going to be the same sound. If you want to change the sound, you have to change the pros. But it looks pretty good to me. It sounds very interesting. Nice feel to the hand because of the right weight and the grippiness, the nature of the surface of the toy, and it's very interesting one. It's the Heartstone version 2. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.